Wholesale properties are properties that are purchased below market value with the intention of reselling them for a profit. To find wholesale properties, you can network with other real estate professionals, search online databases and classifieds, join local real estate investor groups, or use direct mail to target motivated sellers. Once you've identified a potential property, it's important to accurately assess the repair costs and determine the after-repair value, ARV, in order to calculate the potential profit margin. To maximize your profit, be sure to price the property appropriately and market it effectively before reselling it to another investor or a retail buyer. However, it's important to remember that wholesale property investment carries some risk, so be sure to do your due diligence and carefully research the market and the specific property before committing to a deal.